In this video tutorial, we will show you how to set up Outlook 2010 for Gmail. Open your web browser. Type gmail.com. Sign in to your email account. On the following web page, click on the gear icon and choose Settings. On the next web page, press the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. On the next web page, near IMAP Access, choose Enable IMAP. Scroll down and press Save Changes. Sign out from your Gmail profile and close the browser. Launch Microsoft Outlook. Go to the File menu, and in the Info tab, choose Account Settings. In the following window, press New to create a new email account. In the next window, choose Manually Configure Server Settings or additional server types, and press Next. In the next window, select Internet Email and press Next. In the following window, fill in your user information, then choose the IMAP account type. In the incoming mail server line, enter imap.gmail.com. In the outgoing mail server, type smtp.gmail.com. In the login information area, enter your email address and the password. When it's done, go to More Settings. In the following window, click on the Outgoing Server tab. Check the My Outgoing Server Requires Authentication option, and be sure to check the Use Same Settings as My Incoming Mail Server option. Then, go to the Advanced tab. In the Incoming Server IMAP, set value to 993, and in Use the following type of encrypted connection, set the SSL option. In the outgoing server, SMTP, set the value to 465, and under it, in the Use following type of encrypted connection, select the SSL option too. If the outgoing server value drops to default, set the value to 465 again. Then press OK. In the New Account Settings window, press Test Account Settings. If everything is working, you'll see the message that all tests completed successfully, and then press Close. Then uncheck the option Test Account Settings by clicking the Next button, and press Next. In the next window, press Finish. Wait while your Outlook mailbox will be refreshed. Leave comments and send your questions to our email. This was a HowTech TV tutorial. Thank you for watching.